Now accepted as payment method in 10 offline stores, Shiba Inu done it again. And let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Thanks to NOWPayments, at least 10 offline businesses now support Shiba. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, let me highlight this here. Now, the 10 offline business now support Shiba Inu payments in exchange for goods and services. Now, according to NOWPayments, the 10 brick-and-mortar companies that accept Shiba payments, including Gucci, Porsche Towson, Vegas Auto Gallery, Rooms to Go. I'm a big fan of Rooms to Go. Kandy Skulls Ink, Amsterdam Vintage Watches, the Edit LDN, 𝐒𝐭𝐫𝐿, Underground Cigars, and Lamborghini Austin. Okay, it is not surprising to see so many businesses accepting Shiba, given that the cryptocurrency has enormous benefits such as low cost transaction, fast payments, widespread popularity, and as well, no third-party interference like a traditional financial space. We may see more of this happening with Shiba and other cryptocurrency, but congratulations, 10 offline stores accepting this payment method. Let's go. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I think it's a good idea that they're doing this. 10 brick-and-mortar companies accepting Shiba. More is coming down the pipeline. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.